Hi, this is Presh Talwalkar. This puzzle went viral after Google featured it in a Japanese TV commercial for Nexus 7. Can you make the number 10 from the numbers 1, 1, 5, and 8? You have to use each of the four numbers 1, 1, 5, and 8 exactly once. And you can use the available operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can group terms with parentheses. You are not allowed to use exponents. 8 plus 1 to the power 5 does give you 10, but this is not a valid solution because you are not allowed to use exponents. So can you figure it out? Can you make 10 from the numbers 1, 1, 5, and 8? Give this a try, and when you're ready, keep watching the video to see how you would solve this problem. One approach is to consider the numbers and their factors. 10 breaks down into 2 and 5. 8 consists of 3 factors of 2. The number 5 only breaks down into 5, and the number 1 also breaks down into 1. So one way that you could get to 10 is if you could grab 1 factor of 2 from 8 and 1 factor of 5 from the 5. You would also have to get rid of the rest of the numbers. You could also get to 2 by having 1 plus 1, but let's go ahead and think about trying to grab 1 factor of 2 from the 8 and 1 factor of 5 from the 5. If we multiply 8 and 5, we get to 40. We've overshot our solution by 4 times, so we need to divide by the rest of the numbers. We know that 1 and 1 make 2. So we can put this all together and say 8 times 5 divided by 1 plus 1 will equal 20. Now this is actually not too far off from our solution. We've gotten 2 times as far as 10. So we want to reduce this by a factor of 2. So we can try and move the terms around. Like let's say we move the 5 over to the denominator. If we do that, we take 8 divided by 1 plus 1/5, and that gets us to 6 2/3. So now we've undershot, we want to get back up higher. So we could do that by reducing the denominator and changing the sign to a minus. And now, magically, we've gotten to our solution. 8 divided by 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 10. If you go through the steps carefully, what happens is we've grabbed 1 factor from the 5, and because the denominator is 4/5, we've reduced 8 by 2 factors of 2. So we grab 1 factor of 2 from the 8, and we've grabbed the other factor of 5 from the 5 to get us to 10. What's very interesting about this puzzle is that it's a very unexpected thing that you would want to divide by 1 minus 1/5. And the other thing that's interesting is I went through and I calculated all the different ways that you could combine the numbers 1, 1, 5, and 8 with the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and grouping terms with parentheses. And what I found, I've linked the solution in a spreadsheet. It's got over 1,700 entries. And this is the only solution. This is the only way that you can get these numbers to get to a result of 10. So it's a very interesting puzzle. And if you look through the entries, there are really no other ways that you can arrange the numbers that have a unique solution that's also interesting and wouldn't be hard to find out just by looking at the numbers. So it's a pretty cool puzzle, and it's great that Google included it in a TV commercial. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I make videos on math and game theory. You can catch me on my blog, Mind Your Decisions, which you can follow on Facebook, Google+, and Patreon. You can also catch me on social media at Presh Talwalkar. And if you liked the video, please check out my books. I provided descriptions of each one in the video description.